This is Qualicum Beach. Oh, nice stone here. We just checked in our hotel here. Yeah, in Tigh-Na-Mara, right? So, yeah. Hey.
Hey.
I'm just showing around. So, it has really good bedroom here. First, I'm gonna show you the bathroom here. So, we took hotel with a jetted top. So, there's a button there, and then, yeah, jetted top, beautiful washroom. Yeah, another shower station here.
The
right?
rain shower. Right?
Rain shower. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ooh, cool. Okay, let's go and see the room, eh? Oh, let's see here on the corner. Oh, yeah. Exactly. My wife wants big mirror all the time, so that you can see.
To see your full body how it looks.
Exactly, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the bedroom here. Nice paintings. Oh, see here? Looks like this is the Cathedral Grove's picture there.
I like the cedar tree, eh?
Yeah, right?
Yeah. But
Yeah.
looks like a kind of a hollow thing in the tree, like almost like a cave.
Yeah, awesome painting. So really good thing here, guys. The small kitchen here. So they do have everything here what you need. So
Yeah, like a
Right.
cabinet, right? Yeah.
yeah, it's really cool. Fridge here. Let me show you the bedroom. There you go. This is the king bed. Looks awesome, right? And you can actually go to your top from here.
So you can leave it open like that. It's the gun like that.
You're right.
By the level center.
So yeah, you can,
Do that.
go in your top and then just have a view over there, right? So
Like
very
almost
nice.
like open.
Yeah, fireplace there. Can sit here and relax and drink, and you can even go outside and sit there.
Yeah, like you can have
Right.
picnic there.
Yeah, and then actually from your room, maybe you can go for a hike over there.
No, you can
I
go to
saw.
the beach, right? What do you
Well, this is really good room here in Tigh-Na-Mara. It's really good. Are you liking it so far?
Yeah.
It's a good one, eh?
I don't want to leave the room.
Yeah, stay there. Okay. This is Tigh-Na-Mara. One of my friends suggested to stay here, so that's why we are staying here tonight. So we went and checked in and looked our hotel room. Looks really cool, right? We are 100% satisfied so far.
It's amazing.
It's amazing, right? My wife loves it. And yeah, they have a couple of hotels here. Sorry, the restaurants. So this one is also restaurant, right?
Cedar one.
What they call Cedar?
Cedar.
Okay. So this restaurant called Cedar, and yeah, I'm not quite sure what they have. We might go later and check it out, right? What they have.
Yeah, we'll see.
Okay. Okay, resort check-in is right there. So we came there and checked in and went to our
Yeah, so you have a parking spot near to the bungalow where like where you are staying. Otherwise you'll be walking quite a bit
Yeah.
back and forth.
Yeah, this is their main office building and hotel there.
Yeah.
So now if we walk along, I think the beach
So
is
there is
there.
a pool house there that we can access.
Oh, this is the one pool house. Yeah,
Oh.
there you go.
Tennis court one, right? Then the
Playground, tennis court, pool house, fitness center, reception, fine gift shop, restaurant and lounge, conference center, spa. I think we are living in the last one there, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of a spa there, right? Okay, makes sense. Oh, for kids here.
So this is the playground area.
It's the playground area for kids. and kids club. There you go. And this is pool. I think this is gym also there.
Yeah.
There you go. The gym house.
And so the
And,
fitness center is there.
and there is a pool also inside.
Where?
Here.
Do you see it?
Beach access this side.
Huh.
Yeah, we can see the beach over there, right? There you go.
Also, they're building more.
Exactly.
These are
So
new.
yeah, these are new, and I heard that you can buy property here
Yeah.
inside this area,
How
and
much?
then not quite sure, and you can go to the renters pool,
Yeah.
and yeah, and based on that you will be get paid from Tigh-Na-Mara, right? Cool, eh? It's not too far. This is how you come from your hotel room to directly to the beach here. All right, so this is pretty cool, eh? Yeah. See, in 5-minute walk, we are here to the beach. Oh my God! Look at you, bro. So now we can go for a beach walk. Whoa! Super exciting here. So my baby is getting ready to walk. Oh, look at her. She's so happy today.
I thought it was gonna be cold, so I wear this.
Yeah. Nice. Can we go for a walk a little bit? Wow, this is really cool beach here, eh? Just imagine like you just access the beach from your hotel. Looks nice, eh?
Yeah. Gonna be a nice sunset.
It's just so relaxing, eh? This evening.